Adam, you know what I love about a business owner like Adam? He's doing the QuickBooks eventually, if you haven't done it yet.
I am doing it. I am.
He's doing a profit loss statement. He's doing the human resources.
I've already got a business plan.
You know what? Business plans are like worthless. I'm just kidding. Let the data, let the business data.
It doesn't feel like it's done anything for me after I wrote it. But.
It's all, everyone's gonna have this advice for you and shit that are, like, you're gonna see OBM consultants come out of the woodwork. Like, you're gonna have, like, literally all these people that are organizational behavior, they call themselves organizational behavior management consultants.
Yeah.
And
they're just BCBAs that were doing clinical work, and then they're like, I'm gonna do this now. Yeah.
And they might teach somewhere, but you look back at their history, they have failed businesses that closed down, or they've never actually taken the plunge like you and just going all in.
Yeah.
Because they're scared.
Yeah.
I was telling Adam, I'm like, don't listen to your brother, don't listen to your sister, don't listen to your cousin, all the people that are going to say, yo man, don't do it. Or if you have a spouse, they're going to often talk you out of it, and as soon as things get a little bit rough, they're going to be like, yo, take this 9-to-5 job, they can off, you know. Tell people, like, you got a dream and your dream isn't for sale. That's what I'm saying.
That's good.
Because you know what it's like to work for some dude or some company that doesn't have a soul, and they just friggin' work you to death, and they might not have the ethics in mind of what you're trying to achieve with the clients that you're serving.
Yeah. Well, what I can say is I'm lucky in that I came from a company where that was not the case.
That's good.
I came from
well, then what made you do this?
I came from a really solid company that had a great mission and did everything every day to try to live the mission to serve kids with autism. And so I'm really lucky in that regard. It's a company that I'm proud that I got the opportunity to work with. But that said, you know, I was lucky in that it afforded me the opportunity to kind of develop my skills to the point where I felt as though I could do things on my own, you know?
So you built up enough.
It cultivated me, the people that my company surrounded me with, it cultivated, I think, me to the point where I felt capable of going out on my own and doing my own thing. And so I felt blessed, I feel blessed, you know, to have an opportunity to try to do this. Without having that, you know, that experience that I think so many people have had that you just described, you know, I was lucky.
What was the pivotal point that made you decide you wanted to go on your own? Like, because you weren't in a bad situation, you were in a good situation.
No, I had a great salary job, I had people that cared, like you said.
What was the reason?
You know, I think it was just knowing that I could. That was it.
Dude, I love that.
Yeah, I don't know, there was nothing like, you know, crazy, you know, significant about it. It was just, yeah, I can do it.
Knowing you can do it.
I could do it.
Because
I was already writing program designs, I was already doing all the things that were necessary with my other job, again, because I was surrounded with good people and they were helping to mentor me and grow me, and to the point where I was like, yeah, you know, I'm capable. And I'm old enough now, you know, and I feel like I have something to offer the universe in my own little niche, you know.
That's awesome. Yeah. One other thing, on December 31st, this is critical, dude. Make sure whatever's left in that bank account, you use very wisely, and because that's your income. So whatever paid distributions you took for yourself, I'd say you took $50,000. If there's $50,000 left in the account and you already paid yourself $50,000, if there's $50,000 left December 31st, that's your income. So that means you made $100,000 in your tax on that.
Gotcha.
So just make sure the best thing that Adam can do is pay down a lot of bills in December 31st, pay off credit lines, pay off your creditors, pay things in advance. That's a little business hack. And then that way, your tax liability is much lower.
Thank you.
And you'll kill it.